This video is about 2-6, adding decimals. There are 3 things to remember when you are adding decimals. Stack them, line them up, and add them. For example, if I had the problem 2.97 plus 4.63, first I will stack them one on top of the other, and I will make sure that the decimal points are lined up. And now I'm going to add as if they were whole numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 6 is 16, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And the last thing you need to remember is to bring the decimal point straight down. So my final answer would be 7.60. Sometimes you might be given numbers that have different amounts of digits after the decimal point. For example, you might have something like 43.1 plus 8.297. So we're going to stack them. We'll put the first number on top. Again, line them up by the decimal point and add. So as long as your decimal points are lined up, you're good to go. If you don't see a number in a place value spot, it's a 0. So you can add zeros or just think about it as 0 in your head. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Most important step, bring your decimal point straight down. And my final answer is 51.397. So as long as you are lining up the decimal point, you are good to go. Sometimes you might get a word problem like this one. Miss Emery spent $7.25 on her lunch. Mrs. Madison spent $6.29. How much did they spend in all? Remember we were doing cubes the other day, which tells us to circle the important numbers, underline the question, box any important math words, which here would be in all because that tells me to add, eliminate anything unnecessary, which we don't quite have, solve, and then check if it makes sense. So for $7.25, I'm going to stack it on top of $6.29, lining up those decimal points, and now I can add. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. And 6 plus 7 is 13. Now I can bring my decimal point straight down for my final answer of $13.54. I want you to try this problem on your own. I want you to add 58.1 plus 7.296. Remember to stack them, line them up, and add them. Don't forget to bring down your decimal point. Good luck!